Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just want to do a quick little video sharing this with you regarding these door stoppers here. If you see my video before, I explain how these things spin in and out to adjust the door, and every door has it. Very common. You usually have to do this right when you get a car just because they're never adjusted great, but simple to use. You just tighten these things in, and if you tighten them in, it pulls the door in. And then if you push them out or unscrew it a little bit, these things stick out more and this door goes further back. So it just to line the gaps up. But I want to share this with you. I've done it twice now. And it's very frustrating to me. But if you see here, right there, a little flange, a little piece of metal. Well, that thing guides inside these little grooves on the rubber stopper, like a screw. So as you screw in, it just follows that little groove. But there's no stopper on it. So I've done this now, trying to get the gap just right. I kept screwing the thing in there. And then all of a sudden, you make one little half turn, and it falls inside the door. Very frustrating. And to get it out, you're going to have to pull the whole door panel off and reach your hand in where the window goes down, the window guide, to pull it out. Now, the times I've done it, I've shaken the door. I don't hear anything rattling, so I left it. So I just want to share that with you guys to avoid that issue. If you are adjusting these, be very careful and look at it, because there's no saying like when the last time you turn it and it's going to fall in. There's no way to tell, because you can't see the grooves anyway anymore. So just be very careful and hold on to it as you're doing it, else you're going to lose them inside the door. And I'll put a link in the description, or not a link, part number, so you guys can, if you do it, order it. They're $2 at your local dealer. I would do it that way because you don't pay shipping. But it's very frustrating. So maybe I can help you guys not do that problem to lose it. Because then it's, like I said, if it starts rattling, then you'll have another issue. So just want to share that with you guys. Maybe it'll help you out. Hope everyone's doing good. And I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks, everybody.